Gray safety rail measures 18 height x 36 width. Push-button hinge folds down for easy access. Strong safety straps eliminate gap between mattress and bed rail. Easy, 1-minute assembly. Care to clean wipe with a damp cloth. Do not bleach. Air dry. Do not iron. Suitable for children 2 to 5 years. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I used this on a twin bed with just a mattress and a laddered slat system in a recessed frame, Pottery Barn bed. Yes, the manufacturer says this isn't designed for this type of bed, but for us, it has worked well. We did secure the metal poles to the slats for additional security and support. Another reviewer mentioned doing that with zip ties, and I feel like that has added even more stability to an already good product. It was fairly easy to install, although not 1-minute installation like they claim. It took about 30 minutes to do 2 rails, one on each side, with 2 people. The rails are easy to fold up and down. I do dread changing the fitted sheet, and the rails really impact the way a flat sheet and blanket or comforter can fit onto the bed. But I imagine that is true with nearly any product like this. Overall, this is a great product and the price is worth the quality.